Alright, so don't judge me, I'm not wearing shoes, which is why it really hurts walking here. But about today's video. So the last 2 days have been pretty action-packed, which I decided to just show you today the coolest hotel, in my opinion, the coolest resort in Ecuador until now. Let's go.
On a run from a given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would.
So you have the entrance here. By the way, it's called Selena. So basically you go all the way from there, from the parking place, here to the entrance. First of all, you got like a little outdoor cinema where you can watch movies. And we got some stops I will show you. So of course the movies. So you got a bar and a restaurant, you got a pool, a library, a common kitchen, a cinema, bathroom and front desk. Alright, first of all, front desk is this. The people are super nice. And if you go here, you have the common kitchen. So basically you can just buy stuff, leave it here and cook. The cool thing is there's literally no one in this resort right now, and we're also the only ones at the pool, which is awesome. So we will come to the pool later. For now, check out the view. This is so amazing, eating here with this view. But this is not the best part. Let's go upstairs. So up here you have like a small working space where you can just chill and work. Oh, look at it, just awesome. Okay, this looks the way it looks because of us. I'll have to take this back because in the morning we had 4 meals for breakfast or for free, because Simon is doing photography for them and we got free food. I'm not even doing something here, I still got it. So it's nice. So here's the working space, also amazing view.
If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song.
Okay, let's keep going. Now let's come to the restaurant and the bar, which is here. Got a pool table. And also most of the nights there are like programs. For example, we on one night we had like 4 women coming here and doing like traditional dances, which was fun, and then you dance together, so it's pretty nice. Okay, let's keep going. I will also show you the room, but I will probably just play it now.
Keep on driving and driving along the roads.
I hate it. It's those stones are really messing with my feet or whatever. Let's keep going. So we are now going to the wellness place, which is basically a pool. You can have massages there, and also the places you have here, like your rooms, super cool because many of them don't really have walls. Or more or less the walls are mosquito nets. So you're basically sleeping outside, but with the mosquito nets, and super comfortable beds, look super nice. And you hear the sound of the river and the birds. Let's see if we're still the only people here at the pool, because sometimes locals come here, so they also chill here sometimes. Okay, so huge place to chill. You got 2 hammocks here, which are super comfortable. That's much better. Alright, so Here's the chill, and here's like the pool area. You have a whirlpool and a normal pool, which is amazing. So let's just chill here real quick.
Ja, so blöd.
So basically this is the resort, and the whole day today we're just chilling here, because once in a while you also need to relax. Wow. So we're just chilling at the pool and at the laptop.